What? What is it? Why are you so happy? What's so happy, huh? What's so happy? Say, this is my Easter present, and I'm eating it all up. Yes, you are demonstrating that well. That's exactly what it's for. Where'd that cute face go? Say Happy Easter, Grandma and Grandpa, and Casey and Zach and Chris and everyone.